So, dear David, and all of you other New Year's Eve guests that might see this video, we have today the day of our Lord, the 25th of October 2022, and I figured no time like the present to start mixing the cocktail for New Year's Eve. So I was up in Sweden just now and I stumbled upon an ancient recipe of a drink that you actually drink warm in Sweden, or in Scandinavia actually, but we are going to do it in a cold cocktail way. But we are going to do it from scratch, so we actually start with a very dark, semi-light beer. We're going to add sugar, ginger, yeast, potatoes, cloves, cardamom, star anise, cinnamon and raisins, and we're going to put everything in this beautiful old demijohn, and then it's going to sit and brew, and then we're going to use the alcometer in about 6 to 8 weeks to see how far we've gotten, and we should have a pretty good drink then. So yeah, let's do it, eh? So as you can see, fits perfectly. Now we're just gonna put this on so that the excess air can escape, and it's gonna be placed in a semi-warm place, and yeah, I'll see you again in a couple of weeks. Cheers, eh?